Okay, hello everyone. This video is for Mahidol international student who using um, Mahidol OneDrive, yeah. And when you create the document like Word, Excel, or PowerPoint, and you cannot understand, right? Because it's all Thai language. And now we will tell you like how to change to English language. Okay, so let's follow us. Okay, so to change we need to like, okay, let's click on this app and go to OneDrive. Wait a moment, it's a little bit slow. And at the top right you can see the setting. Click on it and then size setting. Okay, and here it's all in Thai language, so you need to just follow us, right? So here การดูแล size, yeah, it's in Thai. And you click on the second one, yeah, การตั้งค่าภาษา okay, it's in Thai. So second, just remember, if you cannot understand, just follow, right? You can just compare with the letter here. Okay, click on it. And here is the default language, so you cannot change the default language, but you can add another language here. So find the English one, which is here. So yeah, it's all in Thai, but I'm sure it is in English, yeah, because I can read it. Okay, anyway, click on it. This is English, right? And then scroll down to the bottom and you will see like this one is save, so just save it. Okay, wait a moment. Right now you can see it's everything changed to English. And if you go back to the application menu and OneDrive, and it's not really OneDrive, it changed everything right now. So maybe, yeah, you can create a new file here. You can create like maybe PowerPoint one. Okay, and allow it here. Wait a moment, the internet is kind of slow maybe. Oh no, it's blank file here. Let me just open one of them. It's easy, this don't need to create one. And yes, you see now it's no Thai language at all. It changed to English language. Alright. Okay, thank you for watching. Hope it helped.